The universe blinked, and something invisible answered back. In the late 1960s, space was no longer quiet. Satellites listening above Earth began to hear violent whispers and X-rays, bursts of energy so intense they shouldn't exist at all. One signal, coming from the constellation Cygnus, was louder than the rest. It pulsed, it raged, and it refused to explain itself. Astronomers called it Cygnus X-1, a name as cold and clinical as the mystery behind it. Whatever lived there was devouring something nearby, ripping matter apart and hurling out energy before it vanished. But vanished where? At the time, black holes were still half myth. Equations allowed them. Einstein's math predicted them. But no one had ever seen one. And seeing something that does not emit light felt impossible. Yet Cygnus X-1 wouldn't let them look away. As scientists tracked the signal, they discovered something unsettling. The X-rays weren't random. They rose and fell with clockwork precision. Something massive was locked in a deadly dance with a visible blue star, orbiting every 5.5 days. The star was being tugged, stretched, drained. Its companion was unseen, yet overwhelmingly heavy. Here came the first rehook. The mass didn't add up. By measuring the star's motion, astronomers calculated the invisible object's weight. Too heavy to be a neutron star. Too compact to be anything known. Whatever it was, it had collapsed beyond all normal limits. The realization landed like a held breath finally released. If this object was real, if it truly existed, then space was not just empty and vast. It was dangerous. In 1971, in the United States, the evidence crossed a line. Cygnus X-1 was identified as the strongest black hole candidate ever observed. Matter was spiraling inward, heating to millions of degrees, screaming in X-rays before crossing a point of no return. An event horizon, a cosmic edge where time and space themselves gave up. This was the emotional climax. Humanity had not seen a black hole, but it had watched one feed. Suddenly, black holes weren't theoretical monsters hiding in chalkboard equations. They were out there, real, active, shaping galaxies, ending stars. The universe hadn't changed. We had. Cygnus X-1 taught us that absence can leave fingerprints, that the darkest things can still announce themselves, and that reality is often stranger and more terrifying than imagination. If this moment sparked your curiosity, help this channel grow. Like the video, share it with someone who loves cosmic mysteries, subscribe for more stories like this, and comment below. What do you think happens to matter after it crosses the edge?